I made this video upon request from my friend, who's been looking to record some screencast videos for his online course. Since I'm using Camtasia for doing my videos, I recommended using Camtasia for him as well. But the thing is, Camtasia is quite expensive for many of us. I purchased my license a while ago and don't quite remember what the price was at that time, but as of now, its cost is $250 per one license, which can be quite hefty if you are on a budget. So is my friend, and he couldn't afford it, which made him very sad. I decided to help him and spend some time on the internet researching for cheaper alternatives. And I found one. This software is called MOVAVI Screen Recorder Studio. Now there are different versions of screen capturing software MOVAVI offers on their website, but I recommend using Screen Recorder Studio as it includes the entire set of features you would need for recording the screen, plus editing the final screencast and adding effects, transitions, callouts, whatever you want. Otherwise, if you choose to get the Screen Capture Pro, you'd need to purchase additional video editor. So it's better to just get the MOVAVI Screen Recorder Studio. The price of MOVAVI Screen Recorder Studio is significantly cheaper to that of Camtasia, and it's only $60 per license, one-time payment. Before we get to the actual demonstration, I'd like to note that I'm gonna put links in the description of this video, so you will get some discount from 15 to 30% additionally. Even though the initial price is quite low for the feature set you're getting in MOVAVI Screen Recorder Studio, having additional money saved is always good. So just visit this landing page here that is available through the link in the description to this video. And on this landing page, you are getting all the discounts available at the moment on this single page. You can see these buttons here, and this page is going to be updated on a regular basis, so you would not skip any discounts. Now let's get to the installation process and let's try MOVAVI Screen Recorder Studio in action. Let's get back to their website here. And here on the top you can see the try free button. Let's just click it and get the installer downloaded. Alright, now as the installer file is downloaded, let's click and open it. Let's accept the terms of license agreement and click install. As you can see, installation process is very straightforward. Now we need to click start. Now we're getting redirected to a web store page, so you can buy, if you want, you can buy the Screen Recorder Studio now. But now let's just get back to the actual software. And here you can see the welcome screen of the MOVAVI Screen Recorder Studio 10. From this home screen, you can choose to record webcam, record the microphone, edit the video if you have a video file prepared for editing, or you can go and record the screen right away, which is we are going to do now. Let's click record screen. Okay, now you can see the beginner's guide. You can click on any of these three items and you will get the instructions on how you can capture online videos, capture your desktop, or capture the Skype calls. We're not going to go to these tutorials now, you can do it yourself, so let's just click don't show this again and close now. And here you can see the rectangular area which is going to be recorded. You can move it around your screen and you can resize it. Also here you can see width and height of the resulting video, so you know the resolution of the video you are going to record in advance. Also you can capture the entire screen. If you click on this button here, you are going to get the entire screen recorded. Or you can switch to the area recording. And also you have the tutorial here. What you need to do, you need to click the mouse, left mouse button, and move the mouse, drag the mouse a little bit. Let's click, let me try. You click this area and you can resize this rectangle. Now what we are going to do is we will start the actual recording. For this process to be more interesting, let's go to some web page here. Let's stop on this page, for example, and let's click Rec button. And we are going to see the warning that since we're using the trial version, it's going to record not more than 5 minutes, and the watermark will be applied to all the captured videos. And this is okay for now. Let's click continue. And the recording starts. Now the recording is active and you can see this rectangular area blinking. Now let's stop the recording. And what we can do now, we can browse this video right away. We can also save it in different formats: MP4, AVI, GIF, MOV, and MKV. We can also save the audio separately, and we can prepare the video for the specific device here. And also the most interesting feature here is we can edit the video if we click Open in Editor. Okay, now we have the editor screen open. Let's make it full screen. And here we can see the initial tutorial for you to follow. And the learning curve for this editor is very easy. You can click to add a new track. You need to click this plus button here. And now you have this video that we just recorded placed on the timeline, and you can see you can navigate it easily. You can navigate here or here, quite a few options here. You can see the size of this video. You can also resize it to be different aspect ratio here. You can view it full screen, and you need to click press escape button to exit the full screen, and you can also view it detached if you click this button here. Let's see which user interface options we have here, which features we have. We have the filters, which we can apply by just dragging the filter to the timeline, to the specific area of the video. Let's drag this camera shape into timeline, and if we play the video, you can see the camera shake effect is applied. We can easily delete it here if we click here and we click remove camera shake. And we can apply another effect. Let's apply blur. And you can see the video is blurred now. So effects are, there are a lot of different effects, and applying them is very easy. Now let's just remove it. Left click and remove. Also we have transitions here, and to make transition work, it's better to have two different video clips here. So I'll just show you how transition works in a minute. But now let's go to the text section, and here we can add different types of text here. Let's choose this awesome text and place it. We can place it either on the timeline, or we can move it here in this big screen area. And we can also edit this text. On this video the text is not quite visible. We need to make it black, I think. But as you can see, you can edit the text here. Edit it right away. It's very convenient way of editing the text. Now let's just remove it. And let's go to the stickers section. Here we can drag any of the stickers here to this video, and let's drag it here. You can see on a specific point of time this sticker is going to appear and disappear. Let's remove it. So you can see you have different types of stickers here. Also, if we click to this bar menu, we can see that we have pan and zoom options, stabilization, chroma key, and I am going to demonstrate the callouts feature. Now you might want to ask me, how do I add a blurred section? How do I blur specific section in the video that contains sensitive personal data? This video editor doesn't have the blurring for the specific area, but we can use shapes for it. If we go to callouts, which we already did, we can see the shapes section here. And what we can use for hiding the personal data is we can just drag the shape here, and we can resize it as we want and place it wherever we need. So let's say we want to hide this MOVAVI effect store text because it's personal data. If we move it here, we can see that it's now hidden. So basically what I wanted to point out here is this video editor, along with the screen capture, it has all the features that more expensive video editors have. But this video editor and the screen capture software costs only $60. Also, you're getting discounts from 15 to 30%, depending on the time of year, if you visit my landing page that I'm going to put into description. One more thing that I wanted to show you is the keystrokes and the mouse click recording. Let's try record one more video here. Let's close this one. We have this recording panel here, recording control panel. Let's now hide this window and let's try recording another screen, maybe this one. And let's click rec here. No, not now. Let's not click rec now. We need to go to effects here and enable the keyboard shortcuts only option. And this is going to record our shortcuts. It's very useful if you're recording tutorials on how to use a particular software and you want your viewers to see the keyboard shortcuts that you're using. Also, you might want to record the cursor effects. We're going to disable show cursor, and we're going to enable highlight cursor, and we're going to enable the highlight clicks feature. Now, as we have these features enabled, let's try to record this video, and then we'll see what we are going as a final result, what we're going to get as a final result. Let's click rec, click continue. The recording starts in 1. And now let's just try clicking in different areas. And let's try to press some shortcuts like Ctrl-Alt-Z, Ctrl-Alt-V, Ctrl-Alt-C, maybe Control Shift S, Control Shift B, something like that. Now let's stop the recording. And let's try to see what we have as a final result. Let's click play here in this video. And you can see the highlighting of the cursor and highlighting of the clicks. Also, you can see the shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts that I was pressing are also displayed here. It's a cool feature if you are doing video tutorials. Now let's click open in editor, and it gets automatically added to the end of the timeline after the last clip. And it's very handy, you don't need to drag it all the time manually. And last thing that I wanted to show you is the transition. If you go to transition feature here, we can add transition between these two video clips. Maybe let's try this interesting twist effect. Let's just drag it here in between the two clips. And let's play this section now. It plays as usual, and now you can see this nice twist effect. It's a very cool feature. I really like it. In case you want more effects, you can see they have also effects store here. I think same for the filters. If you go to filters area here, you can also purchase additional filters, but in most times you don't need them because they have a lot of default filters here. Same goes with text. They have different types of text, and this is more than enough if you're making professional quality videos. So I think that's it, guys. That's it for now. That's it that I wanted to show you. If you like the video, please don't hesitate to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you